And one more problem we got is also from kinematics, but it is from projectile motion. A US Army M120 mortar shell can achieve maximum range when fired with the initial velocity V0 is equal to 300 meter per second and initial launch angle theta naught is equal to 37 degrees. So calculate the range of mortar shell. That's the first question, and we got another question. Calculate the maximum height the mortar shell reaches and calculate the total time the mortar shell is in air. So we need to find the total distance, horizontal range, and total maximum height, and total time it stays in the air. That means time of flight. Let me draw the diagram first. So here the shell or the grenade is bombed like a projectile, making an angle 37 degrees initially. Now we need to find this maximum height and the range, horizontal range, and also time of flight. Now, if you remember, when a body is projected at an angle of inclination, say theta degrees, so it will get, it has got two components. The initial velocity is not the same velocity what we have taken in vertically rotated bodies. So, if it is completely vertical, so then it is known as vertical velocity, and if it is completely horizontal, it is horizontal velocity. But here, the body is projected at certain angle, so that means it will get two components. So one is horizontal component and one is vertical component. The horizontal component is known as u cos theta and vertical component is known as u sin theta. So at any point of time t during the projectile motion, during the projection, the body will have two components of velocity. One is u cos theta that will be along horizontal direction, and one is u sin theta that will be along vertical direction everywhere. So along horizontal direction is u cos theta, along vertical direction it is u sin theta. So one is u cos theta and one is u sin theta. Now we need to find the range and the maximum height, etc. Now coming to range. So range is nothing but the horizontal distance traveled. So it is given by the formula R is equal to u square sine 2 theta by z. But wait, I will also show you how this formula arises right now. Since range is a term which is related to horizontal distance, so we need to find the distance along horizontal direction. So the distance along horizontal direction is given by distance is equal to speed into time. You know the formulas. Because along horizontal direction there is no acceleration, because at any point of time the velocity is u cos theta. So directly we can write displacement or distance is equal to speed into time. That's the basic formula we got, and speed is given as u cos theta, and time is the total time taken by the body to reach from initial point to final point. It is known as time of flight, which is given by 2u sin theta by z. Again, I'll also show how to get it. Okay, so 2u sin theta by z. So here if you observe carefully, you'll get u square 2 sin theta cos theta by z. So that can be written as u square sin 2 theta by z, or you can use directly like this. So range is equal to u square into 2 sin theta cos theta by z. Now here it was given that the initial velocity is 300, so I'll use 300 square into 2 times sin theta, that means sin 37, times cos 37 by z. I can take z as 9.81 or 10. So for calculation purpose, I'll take it as 10, or if you have the uh, freedom to use calculator, then you can use 9.81, because if you can take the help of the calculator, it will be easy. So I can take it as 9.81. So 300 times 300 times 2 into sine 37 is 3 by 5 approximate value, and cos 37 is 4 by 5 by 9.81. Now if you do it with the help of calculator, let me take the help of calculator here. 300 square times 2 times 3 times 4. This is a numerator, and denominator we got 9.81 and divided by 5 times 5 is 25. So it will be approximately 8,807 meters. 8,807 meters approximately. Right. And in the same way, we can calculate the maximum height, h max, which is given by u square sine square theta by 2z. And I'll share you the proof how I mean extract the formula for this thing, or you can directly remember the formula for a particular body. The maximum height is given by u square sine square theta by 2z. So it will become 300 square into sine square theta. Sine theta is 3 by 5 here. So 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 by 2 times 9.81. So again, let me take the help of calculator. So 300 times 300 times 9 divided by 25 times 2 times 9.81. So it is 1,651 meters approximately. So 1,651 meters approximately. And the final question we got is to calculate the total time in the air. So that is given by time of flight is equal to 2u sine theta by z. So that is 2 times 300 times sine 37 is approximately 3 by 5. 9.81. So which even we can take the help of calculator. 2 times 300 times 3 divided by 5 divided by 9.81. So the answer is 36.7. That is seconds. So right, in this way we'll calculate the range and the maximum height and the time of flight. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.